Vice President Leni Robredo dispelled rumors she wants to be part of the interagency task force on emerging infectious diseases handling the COVID-19 crisis. On her radio show, Servisyong Leni, she took a swipe at those riding on the issue. It was former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV who suggested that Robredo head the task force. Trillanes said this after presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said Robredo should present solutions rather than criticize the government's effort to contain the pandemic.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.